Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the Bloxian coder, and in this video, we are going to be doing events and parameters. And guys, before we start, I just want to apologize for not uploading in the recently. It's because I actually was injured, and I planned to upload that 2 days ago. So yeah, sorry. And here's the video. So yeah, let's get into it. And we're just gonna do that first. So I know you guys are pretty much bored with this block over here. This very boring block. So I'm just gonna put that block over there, and we'll never see it again, unfortunately. So yeah. And today we are going to be doing events and parameters, like I mentioned. Now, what are events? Events are things that execute a set of code. It can be anything like print hi or hello when something happens. So let's just add a part into the workspace. This orange part. Add a script into it. Let's just name this part new part. Okay, and a script. So what the script will do is script game dot workspace dot new part, and then now you can set the event touched. Now, how do you find an event? Now you click here, and then you just see all of this, and like, which one's an event? Is it this one? Is this an event? Is it? No, it's not. No, this is not an event. Events have something to identify them. See, they have this lightning sign here. See, and then you can even put touched. So this is what we're going to be using today. Touched, then colon connect function. You can do colon connect function. Now we're going to put a parameter in here. A parameter is like a variable that you put inside a function. So yes, and the thing is about these variables is that they already have their values. They just don't have a name. So it's kind of like, imagine this, okay? You have this equal sign here, and then you have like maybe like 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or blah, and then like blah. So yeah, but it just doesn't have a name. Then this is where you come in. You put the name here, like other part, and then see, it gets its value. So yeah. And yeah, but where do you find the value? I mean, how would you know what the value is and how you use it? Well, if you remember, in my first video, I introduced you guys to the object browser. Now in the object browser, if you scroll down here to part and you go to the events, when you click on it, you'll see this. Now what this does over here, I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys. Now what this does is, inside this bracket, it'll show you what it's supposed to be. Here it means that it's another part. So yeah, other part. Sometimes they don't have it, so like destroying here, see, it doesn't have anything. So that means you don't have to put anything inside the function, like, yeah, over here. So yeah. And yeah, you just have to follow what it says here. So yeah. And yeah, so let's get started. So when this happens, wait. I mean, you don't have to put wait. I'm just gonna do this so you guys can actually see what happens. Script dot parent dot can collide equals to false. So yeah. And now let's just scale this up a bit. Let's just scale this up a bit over here. And anchor it. Yep. And we're just gonna put it in the air so it looks like it's floating for fun. And yeah, cast shadow off. So yeah, it looks like it's floating. Yay! And let's start. And yeah, now I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So So now you see when my avatar goes over here and I touch it, see, when I touch it, it's waiting. It waited, then only I was able to like walk through it. See, bam. So yeah. And you can do anything you want with these. It's unlimited. And if you guys like don't understand a certain parameter, you guys can just write down in the comment section and I'll respond to it immediately. Well, sort of immediately. Now we've finished this part, so I'm gonna give you guys a bonus, okay? Now this is just for fun. Have you ever wanted like someone in your game to like have a certain avatar when they spawn, you know, like a special type, you know, like a fixed avatar, not their own avatar, but a fixed one, you know, sort of like maybe you wanted them to have, I'm gonna just use maybe let's go with someone like player, you know, I'm just gonna type in player, and wow, okay, R6 as you can see, and so yeah, I'm gonna drop it over here, and yeah, say you wanted them to spawn with this avatar instead of their own avatar. Now what do? Well, first you have to put them here and put starter character, and then that's not it. You guys also, that's not it. You guys also have to put him in the starter player, which is this folder over here with this icon over here. Okay, so yeah. So yeah. But so just to prove what I'm saying is true, let's play the game. And bam, bop, you guys can see it. I'm using this avatar. Yeah, sorry to the person who owns this avatar. I'm just using this for fun. Sorry. So yeah. But then you guys can also try this with a Roblox avatar here. Like let's just go with Slender, I guess. Sorry, you guys who hate Slenders. Yeah, you know what? Yeah. So now we're just gonna rename this to starter char character. Enter and put this in here, and put this over here in the workspace again. And we're just gonna delete that. Now, when you guys run it, it still will work. You know, it still will work. The only problem is you guys can't move. You know, you can only do this. You know, like just zoom in and bam, you can do that. But see, I'm pressing the keys, but nothing's happening. I'm not moving. Pressing the keys very violently. So yeah, the reason for this is it does not have animation. Well, it doesn't have the proper animation for it to like move. See? Yeah. It has all of this, but it just can't move. So that's really, so yeah. And the second thing that I'm going to teach you guys about is this. Have you guys ever wanted like a text to appear on the part, you know, like you wanted them to like say hello? Well, something you can add is a surface GUI. On top of that, a text label. Oh, yeah, sorry. So yeah, let me just like rotate it. It should be somewhere here. Somewhere. Interesting. Ah, there we go. Found it. So you guys can see that it's over here on this side. Now you can actually change its face, you know, by just going over here and clicking on face. Oh, I think that's on the Surface UI. Yeah, see, face. So now you just adjust this to like to find the perfect one, like yeah, bottom. So bottom, lol. So yeah, bottom, and then we're going to adjust its size here to maybe let's make this 80, and then we can make this here 1. Well, actually that extends a bit too much. So we're just gonna make this like 0, 8. I think I done, 8. 100. Okay, let's reduce that some more because we don't want to go outside. So 600. Now, on top of this, let's just scale this part here and put this here, maybe like this. Now, you guys want to write your text. So what you do is you click on your text label here. You guys scroll down all the way to text. Go here and switch it to whatever you want, like hello. Now you can see it changed to hello, but it's a little small, isn't it? So you guys, if you guys want it to fit into the whole box somewhat, you can click on text guild. So now you can see it's like that. And maybe you guys want it to be a specific size, so just unclick this and then see you can adjust it, see, by just clicking on text size. So yeah, currently it's at max. So yeah, but maybe you don't want the background too, so you have to scroll up here, and you can even just change the background color if you want, instead. But in this case, we are going to make it transparent. So you just click here, and then see it's slowly making it more transparent. Currently it's at 0.5, and bam, now it's fully transparent. So yeah, this is how you do it. If you guys don't understand, once again, please comment down below, and I will surely help you guys out because I love replying to your comments. So yeah, I think that's all for this video, and if you guys enjoyed it, please remember to like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe because it really helps keep me motivated and helps the channel grow. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.